RBS Basic Research Academy welcomes to you in another video. In this video, I'm discussing about the understanding the Likert scales and its types. Dear friends, whenever we want to conduct a one survey, in order to conduct the survey, we are required to develop a one questionnaire. In developing a one questionnaire, again, we are required to provide some anchors or scales to measure the behavior of the viewer respondent. So normally we know about the 5-point Likert scale. So now, what do you mean by the scale? What do you mean by the Likert, and how the name of the Likert has been put on the scales, and what are their types? So now you are looking here the different types of the scales which are available over here. So in this video, I'm going to make you aware about the different type of the scales are there. Okay, so let's start our video. But before this one, my name is Dr. Rahimbak Sumro, and I'm from Shafti University, Pakistan. So here, now this is the one type of the one view of the questionnaire. This question I developed when I was working on this topic. So in this one, you are looking here that this is our latent variable, green purchasing behavior and trust on green. So these two are the latent variable. Dear friends, latent variable we cannot directly measure, but we have to use some items, some question to measure the latent behavior. For example, if we want to measure the green purchasing behavior, then these are the questions are there. With the help of these one, I can measure the behavior of the respondent along about the green purchasing. So now here, these are our scales are there, 5-point Likert scale. Now here the five options are, therefore we call it as a 5-point Likert scale. So now these are these are our like the skills are there. So in this video, I'm going to talk about these one, about their types. Okay, and then if you go on the next slide, so here is about the Likert. So now Likert was taken from the Dr. Rensis Likert. So Dr. Rensis Likert from the 1903 to 1981 was the person who basically originated this idea in the 1932 in the article titled A Technique for the Measurement of the Attitude. So how to measure someone's attitude towards a certain products, to a certain service, all these things. So now this is that scale is available to measure the attitude of someone's. Okay, so this idea was responded by the Likert in 1934 in the Journal of Social Psychology and titled A Simple and Reliable Method of Scoring the Thurston Aptitude Scale. Okay. So now this is the picture of the Rensis Likert. He was a sociologist, and he was serving the University of Michigan, 1932. I mean, in that year, he originated this type of the concept in the research. And then it is a psychometric scale commonly involved in the research that implies questionnaire. Whenever we are going to work on the collect the data through the questionnaire, especially primary data, so now we have to use these type of the Likert scales over there. And then it is most widely used approach. Most widely in the research may be in the social science, in educational science, or in the basic research. Even though in the medical science, wherever the behavior, where you are going to measure the behavior of someone respondent or of any patient, then the scale is involved, is required over there to measure the behavior of another person. Likert scale are non-comparative scale, where you are not going to compare A with B or B with the C or C with the D like this one. And then these are they have the one dimension. That means at one time, there's a one question about which the behavior of the person we are going to measure. And then Likert scales are to measure beliefs. Now, for what purpose we are going to develop the Likert scale? To measure someone's belief regarding the certain product, certain service, certain anything, attitude or opinion of the people towards the question or statement. Question or statement, other terms we can say these are the items. Okay, as you are looking in this picture, like the image. So now this is the green purchasing behavior, and then you are looking 7 or 8. These are your questions, statement, or these are items. Any word you can use for these one. Likert scale ranks judgment of respondent attitude from low to high or from high to low. Basically, that's the job of the ranking only. And then Likert scale measures the item, including the frequency. Now, what we are going to measure with the help of the Likert scale, First one is a frequency, or you can measure the quality of any product, quality of any service, importance, satisfaction, all these things. And then Likert scale questions are single choice. That means only one choice is there. You have to choose only one out of the given choices. And these are also closed-ended. Closed in this means the choice are given. Now you are not that means allowed to go out of this choice. Now, normally, you see that means that during examination, our teachers they are giving the one question paper. In this one, they are writing some questions and they are allowing to write down the answers of every question. Now you can fill up the 1 or 2 or 3 pages depending on your information knowledge which you have to answer anyone. So these type of the questions are called is a open-ended question, and this one is called a close-ended questions. Likert scale are odd number scale. So all that means that these are the odd, are this may be even number. So odd number, if there is a now in the odd number, there is a neutrality. There's an option of the neutrality. Sometimes if you want to remain neutral, neither agree nor disagree. So if you want to remain the neutral, then in the Likert scale, especially in the odd number, the neutrality option is available. Whereas in case of the even number, the neutrality option is not available. And even a number scale we can call is a force-like Likert scale. Now, when responding a Likert scale question, items respond there is the respondent specify the level of agreement or disagreement. So whenever you are choosing anyone strongly agree or strongly disagree, that means you are showing your level of agreement or the level of disagreement regarding the any psychometric item. And then odd number have a neutral response. While the even number, you're looking here, this one is an even number. So even number scale do not have neutral response. These are forced Likert scale. Now see, now this one is going to force. It is forcing you to have a certain like your behavior, your response. Now you are required to pick anyone. So now here neutrality option is not available. So here you have to make some opinion over here. Either maybe strongly disagree, maybe strongly agree anywhere, but at least you have to make some opinion. The opinion may be from the negative side or from the positive side. And this is the one very good example of the 5-point Likert scale where you are looking here. This is the neutral options available. So the COVID-19 vaccine will completely prevent you from the infection. So now here the researcher wants to measure your behavior regarding the use of the COVID vaccine. So now up to what level you are agree with the here you can select any one option from these one. Okay. So now here you're looking that the Likert scale points. So now Likert scale points, you're looking 10-point Likert scale or even point Likert scale, 8-point again leave even, 6 again even, and a 4 again that's even, and the 2 is even. So now this is the forced Likert scale. It means the participants are forced to make opinion because there is no any neutrality option in this one. However, in the odd number like this one, 7, 5, in all these one, the point of the neutrality is there. And then, okay, this is our 10-point Likert scale where no neutral option is available. And then this is our 9-point Likert scale where you're looking, this is our neutral point, neutrality. In this one, it is this option is available in this one. And then if we come down, so now here, this is the 8-point force Likert scale because there is no neutral option in all R. So now you have to show your behavior on anyone. And then another one, this is 7-point Likert scale. Again, neutrality option is available. 6-point Likert scale, you're looking no neutral point. So anyone you can take by taking anyone, you are showing your behavior. And this one is a very popular 5-point Likert scale. Neutrality is available. And this is a 4-point Likert scale, no neutral options available. 3 again neutral option available, and the 2 no neutral operation. This one available option to you. Okay, so now here we got some information about the scales. Now I'm going to show you the type of the scale. For this purpose, we have to refer the two like the PDF files. We are going towards there. So these are the two PDF files are there. First, we're looking Likert scale example for survey. So now most commonly, which we know, that means most of the people they know about this one. That's about the agreement, strongly agree, undecided, disagree, strongly disagree. So these are 5-point Likert scale, 7-point Likert scale. Apart from the agreement, some other other scales are there, like the value, high, low, relevance, frequency. Let me say here you can measure the frequency of any behavior, right? Very frequently, occasionally, rarely, very rarely, and then importance, the how much importance you are attaching with anyone. So now very important, moderately important, slightly important, no important. Quality, service quality, the quality of any product, quality of any mobile phone, and then likelihood up to how the Mr. Up to what level the event will occur. Definitely, probably not. Okay. And then documents are there. Documents means that whenever there are the two options are available only: fair, unfair, agree, disagree, true, false, yes, no. 3-point Likert scale. These are examples of the 3-point Likert scale where you are looking neutrality option. 4-point Likert scale. Force in scales are there where neutrality is not available. 5-point Likert scale. These are examples. 7-point Likert scale. Okay. Then another in the file is there. So by the way, I have left the link of all these documents all along with the PPTs below this video. Likert scales are there, the same: acceptability, beliefs, support, probability, level of agreement, priority, appropriateness, and then importance, concern, desirability, participation, agreement, okay, and the knowledge of action, effect on X, on anything, on the cause and effect, like the effect of anything on X, Y, whatever you write there. Frequency of use. So now see, so many type of the anchors are available here through which you can make the behavior of the people, frequency or any other thing. Amount of use, good, bad, quality, barriers, level of responsibility. So many things are there. Basically, why I'm showing to you because it's not necessary all the time we use some of the agreement type of the things, strongly agree to strongly disagree. But apart from this one, so now depending on what type of the questions you are asking from your respondent, now you may be required to use other type of the anchors. So like the support, probability, agreement, priority. So that's why my point of view here to aware you about the other options except the strongly agree to strongly disagree. So here I'm showing you some of the one of the two important websites. Okay, let's see those websites. So the first one is about the 20 Likert scale question along with examples. So now there are some descriptions available about the Likert scale, and then 5-point Likert scale, because mostly people use the 5-point Likert scale, and then some of the advantages and disadvantages are available here. Okay, now if you want the satisfaction, importance, quality, frequency, likelihood, these are the some of the behavior to which you can you may measure. And then furthermore, how satisfied you were with the in-store experience. Now, just measure your level of satisfaction. If you want to measure level of satisfaction of anything, then like satisfied like this one, 3-point. So here you can convert 3-point into the 5-point, 7-point in this way. And if you want to convert 3-point into the 5-point, then definitely you are required to provide more anchors in this one. And then this shows the agreement with the certain thing. So here, the agreement with a certain brand, agreement with a certain organization, invest time in money to keep employees updated with the technology. Are you agree? Up to what level? And what was your level of satisfaction with our product? Extremely satisfied, very satisfied. The online store checkout process was straightforward, strongly agree, like, okay. And then how likely you are you to recommend this product service to your family, friends? Very likely. And then this is another period. So now these are measuring some type of different behaviors of the people. Now this one is how helpful are the instruction videos provided from our website? Extremely helpful, somewhat helpful, like this one. Certification again. So these are different anchors are there which you can use in your research. Okay. Another thing I'm going to show you that's about the 5-point Likert scale. So here now How I found this one, just I write down the in the Google 5-point Likert scale, and instead of like the pressing the this all, I have pressed the images. So now you're looking here, different images are there. So any one image you can say, so many images you can take from here. Okay, and another thing, now these type of images normally we use in the academic writings. But if we are not working on academic, that means like the commercial use of commercially, if you want to apply some of that like these type of the anchors, then these wonderful and beautiful, attractive options are available to us. So now you can also use all these. Well, normally you're looking in the cellular companies, they are making they are sending you some survey. So now in your survey, normally you're looking at these type of the wonderful and attractive eye-catchy type of the images over there. Or like the news channels, they are from time to time making some survey regarding anything. Then again, they are also providing this type of the eye-catching anchors to attract your attention towards their poll or their survey. So, dear friends, at the end of this video, I'm again hopeful that this video has again become a very highly useful for you, especially knowing about the different type of the like the response anchors and along with the Likert scale types. So thank you very much for watching this video completely. And please take care of yourself and take care of this channel by clicking it, by watching it, by referring this channel to someone else. Thank you very much.